SERV stock analysis next week, Monday and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. SERV Robotics sitting at $10.92, 4.5% down. I mean, you see the chart, you see what it says that I'm waiting for the rules to be met in order to take it higher. And I mean, today, for whatever reason, we're 4% down as of right now. Now, hear me out. The way that I'm going to be, this is pointing towards the upside, meaning I'm bullish, yes. But the way that I would buy here is only going to be if I see my confirmation being met. So that's why this is sitting here. Just for context, all I'm using is the strategy that's previously delivered dozens of good predictions, and I'm telling you all of this because it is the truth and I've documented everything. So even look at right now, I'm still just gonna be patient and wait it out, because what's the opposite? I mean, if I don't wait it out and trying to be a part of every single movement, I tried it before and that never worked for me, because I ran a test of an experiment that said that I've made 26,000 videos over the last 4 years, so I do have a lot of experience. So if you want to learn the strategy for free, check the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars.